Can Ornament replace a doctor? No, but it helps me to do my job, saves time, and makes treating and following up with patients more efficient. Ornament prepares. My patients who use Ornament come to their appointments prepared. They have a structured medical history at their fingertips, all their past tests tracked, and documentation that I can easily print out or transfer to my computer if needed. It's incredibly helpful when making a diagnosis, and if for some reason a person has had tests but hasn't visited the clinic, they can easily share the information with me through the app. Ornament informs. I don't have to spend time explaining and deciphering each test. The app does it for me. The Ornament Wiki has detailed descriptions of more than 3,000 biomarkers and diseases. People can find out what a test is for and even see what values are optimal. To help, Ornament experts have developed a scale of optimal indicators based on many scientific studies. Users can even look at the statistics of other people matching their age and gender, or ask a doctor questions through the app before their in-person appointment. Ornament helps. Modern people tend to only go to the doctor when they're experiencing issues. We know more about the condition of our car than our body. And doctors, no matter how much they want to, don't have the opportunity to check on every patient, making sure that they get checked on time, make appointments, and follow recommendations. Ornament can handle all these tasks. The app reminds you to have a checkup, tells you which tests are up to date, and draws your attention to deviations in readings, all in an easy-to-use game-type system. Gradually, taking care of one's health becomes a habit, and thanks to Ornament, my colleagues and I can focus on truly helping our patients.